the biggest impression for me, it's such a huge and great professional event.
Conference is excellent. I was in plenty of conferences until now, and it fulfilled all my expectations. There is plenty of people that are using this software.
Everything is at a very high level. Yes, we heard about how in United States they use the simulation software and how it was developed and what was the main purposes.
We watched some very interesting presentations, but what's more important is the connections we made and the ideas we exchanged.
I met a lot of interesting people and a lot of smart people. This is the kind of people I like to surround myself.